guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video I'm going to do a bike check because I've got a new bike. And I'm also going to show you some clips from my first sessions on my new BMX. I'm going to start with my frame, and my frame is from Tall Order. My bar is also from Tall Order. And my fork is from Salt. My crank is from Federal. And my pedals are from Mankind. And I've got a Tall Order sprocket. My chain is also from Tall Order. And my stem is also from Tall Order. And my grips and bar ends are from ODI. My headset is from Federal and my gyro is from Shadow. My brake lever is from Odyssey. And my brake cable is from Vocal. And my brake is from Odyssey. My seat and my seat post are from Tall Order. My pegs are from BSD. My rims are from Federal. And my hubs are from Tall Order. And my tires are also from Tall Order. So that was the bike check, and now I'm going to show you some clips from the first sessions on my new bike. So that was it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new bike. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.